In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Brave browser on PC. We'll walk through each step with clear explanations so you can feel confident as we go. Let's get started. First, open your current browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or another browser you prefer. In the search bar, type in Brave browser. Press Enter to start the search. This initial step is crucial because finding the correct website ensures you're downloading the legitimate software, safeguarding your computer from malicious sites. Once the search results appear, you'll need to find the correct link. Look for the official Brave website, which is usually one of the first results. It typically includes the domain brave.com. Clicking the right link is important because it guarantees you are downloading from the official source. This step helps maintain your system's security. Now that you're on the official Brave website, locate the Download Brave or Get Brave button. This button is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on it to initiate the download process. By doing this, you're ensuring that you get the most recent version of Brave, complete with all the latest features and security updates. After you click the button, the download will begin. You might notice a file named bravebrowsersetup.exe appearing in your Downloads folder. You'll want to open this file. You can usually find it by checking your browser's Download tab or directly in the Downloads folder on your PC. Opening the correct installer file is crucial because it initiates the actual installation process, bringing you one step closer to using Brave. At this point, the installer will automatically download any additional files needed and start the installation process. You don't need to do anything during this step but wait. This automated download and installation ensure that you get a fully functional browser without having to manually select or install additional components. Once the installation is complete, Brave will open automatically. There's no need to search for it in your programs list. This automatic startup is a handy feature, letting you dive straight into exploring Brave without any delay. It's a signal that the installation was successful. Now, a quick insight. Brave is known for its focus on privacy and speed. By choosing Brave, you're opting for a browser that puts your browsing experience first. It blocks ads and trackers automatically, making your browsing faster and more secure. This feature alone can save you time and offer peace of mind. Congratulations on installing Brave browser on your PC. You can now start exploring its features and customizing it to suit your preferences. Remember, switching browsers can enhance your online experience significantly. Brave's commitment to user privacy and speed sets it apart, providing a unique browsing experience. That's it for today's guide on downloading Brave browser. Thanks for following along. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. Enjoy your safe and fast browsing with Brave.